Have you ever wondered if childhood in the 1950s was really as idyllic as it sometimes appears in old movies and television shows? It turns out parenting then was quite different, especially when it came to guiding children. In the 1950s, parents primarily relied on a combination of authoritative and behaviorist approaches for discipline. This meant there was a strong emphasis on obedience, respect for elders, and clear boundaries, often enforced through physical correction, timeouts, and a focus on consequences. The core reason for these methods stemmed from prevailing psychological theories and societal expectations. Experts like Dr. Benjamin Spock, whose book was hugely influential, initially advocated for a more flexible, child-centered approach. However, by the mid-50s, public sentiment and interpretations of his work shifted towards a stricter interpretation, emphasizing routine, firm rules, and swift correction. The era also valued conformity and order, seeing well-behaved children as a reflection of successful parenting and a stable family unit. Understanding these historical methods helps us appreciate the evolution of parenting. Parents in the 1950s often aimed to instill self-control and respect for authority from a young age. While some of these practices are no longer considered appropriate today, the underlying goal was to raise children who would become responsible and productive members of society. A fascinating insight from the time is the concept of a scheduled feed for infants, a rigid feeding routine rather than feeding on demand. This structured approach often extended into older childhood, with strict bedtimes, chore lists, and clear expectations for school performance. The idea was that predictability and structure fostered a secure, well-adjusted child, a belief heavily influenced by the behaviorist school of thought, which emphasized observable actions and responses. By exploring 1950s discipline, we gain a clearer picture of historical family dynamics and cultural values. It highlights how societal norms, expert advice, and the desire to raise respectful children shaped the choices parents made. Learning about these past methods truly offers a valuable perspective on where modern parenting styles originated and how far we have come.